You've got 1365 one there. That'll do then.
Yeah, that'll do. So we got this pipe here. So it's 75mm, so we measure 75mm, which is round about there. Measure up, measure the centre. 335. 335, Dad. 335. Then do your measurement again. 75. Beautiful. Then we've got this one here. That's just less than 400. Just less than 400. And that is hanging out. So now what I'm going to do, because these are very flimsy, I'm going to take it outside and drill it with my 20mm hole bit, and then I'm going to come back in and we're going to bang it on. And then plenty of glue down the inside of the edge. Make sure you glue all of these, otherwise they're just going to spread. Choppers out. Choppers out. Glue on every single one of these. Should have tested this really before I put the glue on, but never mind. You follow the same principle for every single one. Alright, same principle for everyone. And then because there's heat on this, push it right in. Then on to his next. Now what you got to remember is that lip might not go in there properly yet, because we might need to take that lip off. Right, so in fact let's try it first. Right, yeah. I'm still going to take it off. Just need something to mark it. Don't know where my little trusty pencil's gone. So we're going to cut that little bit off, because when we push it in, it's hitting that pipe. Like so. Then you get your glue, plenty on. Down the back of it. Now I've done them pipes, I'll just run straight across with my glue. This is for multi-panel boards, this glue. But because I've got loads of it, pull it, get tweezers and pull them out. Because I've got loads of it. How do I use it for this? Slide it up and down. Slide it up and down. Like that, and then we're going to hammer it in. But before I get the hammer it in, I'm going to get them all in. I'm just going to pull this out, and then we'll just nail them all at the same time. 3 at a time. Because now we've moved over. Where the radiator is, I've nailed every single one. But because this is where the sink is and there's no heat, we can nail every second one. If it feels a bit bowy or a bit bouncy, then obviously you nail the other one. That is bad, this is bad. Badly. This is bad. Badly. This is been outside. did you get this piece from, Lee?
It won't go in from it.
It won't go in?
I don't know what you put it out there for.
That really badly. Really badly bowed, so the only option is to nail it. Then we'll fill them little holes as we go. While you're doing it, if you've got any glue, make sure you wipe it off straight away, or while you're doing it. Otherwise you're just going to cause yourself a job once it dries, and it'll go hard, and then if someone paints over it, it's going to look bitty. These, all we'll do is we'll get a plastic guider and we'll get some decor on it, squash it into it, wipe it off, and that's it. It's done. Well, decorate will. Our decorator will. Now, if you do that for every... There we go. It is finished. Ready for painting. Then we'll put the ceiling on. That's turned out well. Around the window. Looks really well. I had to put a little piece in light just to make it bang on, but it looks bang on. Caulked all the corners, finished the corners off, little spade just before the architrave, because obviously there's a different colour out there, so you can't go over the architrave, can't go under the architrave. It'll look nice, and that's it. Bish bash bosh. Back on Monday. This room's had 2 coats on it over the weekend. It is looking good. So now we're going to finish it, put everything on, and then it'll have a final coat. It's looking good. So for the ceiling, we will be doing... It's a bit tricky this when you're doing a flat ceiling. We need to get right into corners, otherwise we're going to have to put a lip around it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the first piece, and I'm going to bring it right to that point, and then that in turn is going to give us nearly an equal gap, and we can run that boom straight down there like a dream, just like a dream. So this is the panelling. This is a multi-panel what we're using. It's not a bad one. This is no good to go in the shower, because as soon as you land on it, it's going to dent it and it's going to be no good. For the ceilings, they're beautiful. For the showers, they're not beautiful. Remember that, and you can't go far wrong.